Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best iPhone 14 Pro Max wallet cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. If you want to avoid carrying a bulky wallet in your pocket, an iPhone wallet case is a must-have. It conveniently stores important cards, IDs, and cash in one place. Choosing a case that provides more than one benefit, on the other hand, is extremely difficult. Case wallets come in handy in this situation. A case wallet, as opposed to a regular case, combines the functions of a phone case and a wallet. You can choose from a variety of wallet cases for your iPhone 14 Pro Max on the market, but you wouldn't want to choose just any iPhone case, would you? I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 Pro Max wallet cases 2022, so let's get started. 5. Bocasal Crossbody. Bocasal is a well-known company that specializes in phone cases with wallets on the back. Aphid blocking material is used in its folio wallet cover case to prevent sensitive and confidential information from being read via radio signals. The Bocasal Crossbody wallet leads the storage game in the phone case with a wallet on the back market, with a card carrying capacity of 10 cards and some cash. A useful shoulder strap and a detachable wristlet are also included. 4. KIHUWEY Kickstand Flip. KIHUWEY wallet cases are made from premium PU leather. On the back of the KIHUWEY phone case is a wallet. It can hold more than 3 cards and some cash. KIHUWEY wallet cases, like SHIELDON, have a magnetic closure that keeps your belongings safe and secure. The wallet's raised buffer protects your phone from scratches and physical damage. Last but not least, finding your favorite color cases is a breeze. 3. ZVE Crossbody. ZVE, like Smartish, provides a variety of wallet cases for iPhone 14 Pro Max users. The Custype Angrile and Lychee Crossbody wallet cases are the most popular at ZVE. These cases are ideal for those who require more carrying space, 10 plus cards, cash, coins, and even a SIM card. The raised lip and full surround design of ZVE wallet cases are the best features. These two features guard your iPhone against damage and shocks. Furthermore, the leather necklace and wrist straps are skin-friendly and easily convertible to standalone cells. ZVE also has lovely card case wallets for women. 2. SHIELDON Case. If you're looking for more color options, SHIELDON is the place to go. SHIELDON offers iPhone 14 Pro Max users wallet cases in every color imaginable, including black, purple, brown, and red. Furthermore, if you're looking for a grainy texture, such as grainy blue, you won't be disappointed. SHIELDON has you covered. It is a foldable, flip wallet case that is finely hand-stitched in genuine leather. It also has enough room for 3 credit cards and some cash. It is made of genuine leather and comes in a variety of colors. The case's interior is soft but tough, with shockproof edges. It has 3 card slots as well as a pocket slot for cash or your ID card. Another great feature of this case is that it comes with a lifetime warranty for replacements, allowing you to have it replaced if you are dissatisfied with the product. 1. Smartish Wallet Slayer. Smartish's collection of iPhone 14 Pro Max wallet cases makes life easier. The most popular is the Smartish Dancing Queen Crossbody wallet case for iPhone 14 Pro Max. With 5 card slots and cash, it is ideal for those who prefer to transact in both modern and traditional ways. Lip gloss loops, an adjustable crossbody phone strap, and a removable wristlet are all included in this 6.7 inches crossbody wallet phone case. The Dancing Queen crossbody wallet phone case is available in a variety of color options and designs, including stiletto black gunmetal, catch the bouquet, lemon party, moons out shrooms out. Furthermore, air pockets in the case's corners absorb shock when dropped. Despite this, it remains light and comfortable to hold in the hands. It is not, however, compatible with MagSafe accessories or Qi wireless charging. It comes in a variety of colors, but you can customize it to your liking. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 Pro Max wallet cases 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.